case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, a Southern Illinois road repair business, JTC Petroleum Company, sued several road contractors, also known as applicators, and producers of emulsified asphalt for violating Sections 1 and 2 of the Sherman Act. JTC alleged that the defendants agreed not to compete with each other in bidding on government contracts, and formed a cartel to deny JTC essential resources for their business. The plaintiff settled with 3 producers and 3 applicator defendants, while the district court granted summary judgment for the remaining applicator defendants. JTC appealed this decision, and eventually their case was allowed to proceed to trial on the Section 2 claim. The court's final decision dismissed the tacit collusion claim, but found the remaining defendants culpable under conspiracy and agency law. The emulsified asphalt producers were also held accountable for their involvement in the applicators' conspiracy. The case highlighted the importance of fair competition and preventing businesses from working together to unfairly dominate a market or harm other businesses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.